Here's breaking news for CEOs and operation managers. America's skilled worker shortage is impacting construction and manufacturing industries, according to a Fox Business News report. The U.S. economy had nearly 1 million job openings in these two industries alone. This has exposed a high demand for highly skilled workers ready to be hired for highly paid jobs. However, it also exposes that workers not trained well enough in their jobs and in quality control will lower production and increase costly defects and rework. These costs and delays can skyrocket even more when newly hired workers are not trained well enough. The fact remains that poor quality shrinks not only profits, but customer satisfaction, and losing customers is the biggest cost of all. Quality operating procedures will fast-track workers' skills and continuously empower them to finally get control of quality and the production output on a timely and cost-effective basis. QOP's digital dashboard provides workers with anytime and anywhere access to training, autonomous troubleshooting, job changeover, everything the worker needs to do a quality job anywhere in the organization. For a personal demo of QOP in action and how it can empower workers in any department, please contact us today.